Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a woodworker's dream material, the best 2x2 lumber you can find on the market. The black walnut lumber turning squares. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, this could be your next favorite material to work with. Let's explore why. The black walnut lumber turning squares are meticulously crafted by Barrington Hardwoods, renowned for their quality in woodworking materials. This particular set includes 4 pieces, each measuring 2 inches by 2 inches and 8 inches long. Perfectly kiln-dried and featuring stunning grain patterns, these squares are not just lumber, they're a canvas waiting for your creativity. What sets these apart? First, the beautiful grain of black walnut, known for its rich, dark tones and unique figuring that adds elegance to any project. These squares are surfaced hit or miss at 1 to 15 by 16, ensuring they clean up perfectly to 1-3/4 when worked on. Whether you're turning them into intricate wood sculptures, knife handles, or decorative accents, the possibilities are endless. The wood's hardness and stability make it ideal for both hand tools and machinery, allowing you to achieve precise details without compromising on durability. Available in various sizes from 6 inches up to 30 inches in length, you can choose the dimensions that suit your project best. Plus, Barrington Hardwoods ensures these are sourced responsibly and crafted to meet the highest standards. Now, you might wonder, why opt for black walnut? Apart from its aesthetic appeal, it's known for its resilience and workability. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, having reliable material like this can significantly enhance your woodworking experience. Let's take a closer look. Each piece is carefully inspected, ensuring it meets the brand's promise of quality and precision. The uniformity in size and the smooth texture make it a joy to work with, especially for intricate projects that demand attention to detail. While we won't dive into specific customer reviews today, it's worth noting that these squares have garnered praise for their consistent quality and value for money. Many customers appreciate the craftsmanship and the ease with which these pieces can be integrated into various woodworking projects. Whether you're crafting a gift, enhancing your home decor, or expanding your woodworking skills, the black walnut lumber turning squares offer versatility and quality that's hard to beat. Available on Amazon, you can easily get started on your next masterpiece with just a few clicks. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product critiques like this. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking!